In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit htaccess in Rank Math. Before we start, a quick note on what we're touching here. The htaccess file controls important server behaviors for your site, like redirects, caching, and security rules. It's powerful, and that means a small mistake can break your site. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it safely and clearly. First, you need to make sure Rank Math is in advanced mode, because the htaccess editor only appears there. In your WordPress dashboard, head to Rank Math SEO, then Dashboard. Look for the option to switch on advanced mode and make sure it's enabled. If you don't see the htaccess editor later, it usually means advanced mode wasn't turned on, so this step is essential. Next, go back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Rank Math SEO, then General Settings, and click Edit to htaccess. This opens a dedicated editor inside Rank Math. You'll see a large text area showing the current contents of your htaccess file, so you can review what's already in place. Because editing this file can have site-wide effects, Rank Math will display a warning message first. Read it carefully. To proceed, check the box that enables editing. This unlocks the text area so you can make changes. A helpful tip here. Before you edit anything, copy the entire existing content and save it somewhere safe. If something goes wrong, you can quickly paste it back. Now you can add or modify the rules you need. Common edits include creating redirects, tightening security headers, or adjusting caching behavior. Keep your changes organized and well commented so you understand them later. For example, place a brief note above a block of rules using the hash symbol to label what it does. Be mindful of Apache syntax. One extra character in the wrong place can cause errors. Avoid pasting code from unknown sources and only use rules you're confident about. When you're done, click Save Changes. Rank Math will write your updates to the htaccess file. After saving, visit a few pages on your site in a new browser tab to confirm everything loads correctly. If you notice an error, undo your last change by restoring the backup you copied earlier. It's also a good idea to clear any caching plugins or server cache so your new rules take effect. That's it. You've safely accessed the htaccess editor in Rank Math, reviewed the warning, made your adjustments, and saved them with confidence. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each change to keep your site running smoothly.